This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Fresh talks in Washington between the White House and the Democrats on a new virus relief bill kept alive hopes that a deal could be made before the presidential election in 2 weeks' time. However, for a bill to realistically be passed by Congress before Election Day, the two sides would have to reach a deal by end of day Tuesday, and that is exactly the deadline House Speaker Nancy Pelosi has set. This is an encouraging sign for the markets, and add to that the fact that Joe Biden has widened his lead over incumbent President Trump in opinion polls, despite the recent bad publicity surrounding his son. Investors are more hopeful that another big fiscal package will arrive one way or another. The optimism pushed U.S. equity futures higher by almost 1% at the start of European trading on Monday. However, Asian markets were mixed as Chinese stocks fell following a slight miss in the country's third quarter GDP reading. China's economy grew by a less than expected 4.9% year-on-year in the third quarter, but the figure was viewed as quite respectable in the broader markets as traders elsewhere focused on the pickup in retail sales and industrial output in September. Positive developments around a vaccine may be one reason why investors have yet to press the panic button. The prospect of another large dose of U.S. fiscal stimulus is another. The spate of promising headlines helped ease some of the gloom that had been building up over the past week, which had driven the U.S. dollar to 2-week highs against a basket of currencies. The greenback was slightly softer today, and the Japanese yen was also on the back foot amid the improved risk sentiment. The pound led the gainers following last week's roller coaster ride for the British currency and was flirting with the $1.30 level again. Sterling came under selling pressure on Friday after Boris Johnson told his country to prepare for a no-deal Brexit, as talks with the EU on a post-Brexit trade deal broke down. The euro was somewhat muted, rising only modestly amid an increasing number of dovish remarks from European Central Bank policymakers lately. President Christine Lagarde became the latest to add her concerns about the Eurozone recovery as virus restrictions on the continent continue to rise. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.